gentlemen, esteemed guidance and respected colleagues, today we gather to discuss a mention of paramount importance. University education should be free. In the world, to acknowledge the progress and societal development, we must deliberate on the merit and demerit of making higher education accessible to all without the financial burden. As we navigate through this divide, let us consider the implications on equality, economic stability, and the overall well-being of our society. A university educated society is of great value to any state, and we have provides three main benefits. Firstly, it provides effective economic benefits. There is a profile advantage to countries that actively promote a culture of smart economy. With a highly education and technically able workforce, they are more likely to be innovative and highly productive. Secondly, higher education leads to an increase in cultural awareness via subjects like the art, history, and the creative. And the third benefit is the development of leaders on society. The very created by universities will prevent some potentially high-worth individuals from ever reaching their potential.
Any appeal lain? Tak ada? Tak ada appeal lain?
Okay, I'm not disagreeing with that opinion, right? Because if our tuition are free and born in the government will definitely its very activity to cover it out. Even if Indonesia need no we want to increase the state debt again. Oke, intinya tuh jika semua beban biaya pendidikan universitas dibebankan ke pemerintah, maka siapa yang akan menanggung itu? Apakah APBN Indonesia? Sedangkan APBN Indonesia sendiri tidak bisa mencakup, tidak bisa memenuhi kebutuhan Indonesia sendiri. Apakah kita akan menambah utang negara, menambahkan utang negara ke negara lain? Atau enggak, kita mau nyari alternatifnya lah mungkin. Daripada kita menggratiskan 100%, mungkin kita mencari jalan tengahnya seperti mensubsidi 50%, 50%. Menurut saya itu lebih worth it daripada 100% digratiskan. Maka itu akan membebankan APBN Indonesia yang menurut saya sekarang APBN Indonesia saja tidak bisa mencukupi kebutuhan Indonesia.
Are you asking where the government funds come from in college if free? While the government, example in this country, while the government itself provides KIP, Kartu Indonesia Pintar, to support public education. Are you asking where the government funds come from if college is free? Example in this country, while the government itself provides KIP, Kartu Indonesia Pintar, to support public education. And what about that?
KIP kan sama aja kayak subsidi gitu ya. Intinya KIP itu sama kayak subsidi ya. Jadi ya KIP tidak menyeluruh juga, tidak mungkin menyeluruh juga kan, belum tentu menyeluruh.
In 2023, the budget from free tuition for the Smart Indonesian Card KIP college program is 1.9 trillion. This budget is used to finance tuition fees, living expense, and dormitory fees from students who receive KIP free.
Right. Okay, next. Second speaker from the government.
Education at the university should be free because it's a fundamental human right. Everyone has the right to a quality education, regardless of their socio-economic background. University education can provide opportunity for everyone to develop their potential and achieve their goals. University education can also provide benefits for society as a whole. University education can produce quality human resource which can play a role in the development of the nation. Here are some reasons why education at university should be free. Because firstly, education is a fundamental human right. Secondly, everyone has the right to a quality education regardless of their socio-economic background. In addition to discussing that education at the university should be free, we first need to consider the accessibility for education for all walks of life. However, it should also be recognized that the financing and sustainability of the free education system are important issues that need to be considered within the framework of this bill.
Tadi BOI? Ada? Ada? Oke. Next up, Sheila Agustina.
Education at university should not be free. According to me, there are several reasons. Firstly, potential decline in education quality. Without the financial competition that arises from school fees, there is a risk of decline in education quality. This can lead to comprehensive within institution, a lack of investment in necessary resources, or a lack of effort to achieve excellence. And then secondly, unfair benefit for the poor. By offering free education to everyone, wealthy individuals who can afford school fees will also benefit. This means that public funds will be used to subsidize education for those who do not require financial assistance, resulting in a multiplication of resources. And then thirdly, longer time of graduation without financial pressure, students may take longer to complete their studies, hoping phase that could be retired by other prospective students. And then the last one, the fee-based system allows universities to generate revenue that can be reinvested in improved infrastructure, faculty quality, and research facilities. This investment helps maintain and extend the quality of education provided by universities.
BOI, no BOI? Tidak ada. Next day, you can go with the switch.
Free university education can give everyone the opportunity to develop their potential and achieve their dreams. Of course, the government must ensure that the quality of education is maintained. As we know, in fact, the more people who go to the college will certainly produce quality human research and can help the country progress. Many people after graduating don't get the opportunity to go to college just because of cost. Even though we are champion when they in high school, and as we know, the government itself even provides scholarship so that everyone can experience that college. The real proof is SNMPTN and SBMPTN. Many students take thanks to this to able to study at university and reduce cost. It provides the actually many education that not everyone can watch. And the following are principal source of free college funding from the government is tax revenue and expenditure budget APBN, funds for other government agencies and grants from foreign government and donation from the community.
BOI? No? Okay. Salito.
I'm not agreeing if the university is holding the lecturer who has taught the student and also the lecturers at the university must be paid. It is impossible for them
not to be paid. And if you expect the government to pay lecturers, that won't be enough. And in my opinion, students also have to pay for their tuition fee. Jadi intinya itu kalau semuanya para mahasiswa jika mereka kuliah secara gratis, siapa yang harus membayar para dosen yang mengajar di kelas? Dan juga para penjaga kami, pembersih itu yang mungkin semua pemerintah yang bayar. Dan juga untuk itu pasti harus ada uang seperti SPP ataupun seperti uang pembangunan, karena mungkin pembangunan gedung kuliah ini nggak mungkin dan semua dari pemerintah.
Okay, next. Alexa.
Okay, so here are some strategies that can be implemented to ensure that free university education is accessible to everyone. Firstly, the government can provide scholarships to students from disadvantaged families. This scholarship can be awarded based on academic achievement, economics, or special needs. Second, the government can work together with the private sector to provide affordable university education. The private sector can build private universities or provide subsidies to private universities. Third, increasing access to higher education. Free higher education will open up opportunities for everyone to access higher education, regardless of economic background. This will improve the quality of nation's human resources. Fourth, increasing educational equality. Free higher education will help reduce inequality in access to higher education among communities. This will create a more just and prosperous society. And the last one, increasing the nation's competitiveness. Free higher education will help increase the nation's competitiveness in the international world. This is because a nation that has educated and skilled human research will be better able to compete in the global academy. With these strategies, free university education can become a reality and can benefit everyone.
Tokyo Eye. Okay, for the final speaker. Go. Eric.
I don't agree about the university should be free because the university need to use the electricity to make students can save to study. So the university needs to pay the electricity money. Dikarenakan universitas itu perlu uang untuk membayar uang listrik, jadinya mereka perlu kos untuk membayar uang listrik, tagihan listrik untuk membayar biaya AC-nya, lampunya dan lain-lainnya.
Nggak wajib.
Nanti gelap.
Hey, cool. Dari government. Your idol on your speech.
Oh, mungkin tadi saya talking about financial. Karena kita tahu government sudah financial dari extension the tax payment from community, terus juga bisa natural resource utilization. Pokoknya intinya dari berbagai ini adalah it's not about the financial, but increasing human resource is the most important. Thank you so much.
Any reply, Eric? dikarenakan harus beruang untuk membayar pembangunan, dan juga kita juga perlunya di dalam pembelajaran itu kan ilmu itu sangat berharga juga, jadi perlu uang juga untuk
Why education take money? Why?
makanya untuk tulis kan. Untuk membayar pembangunan jalannya ataupun untuk donasi anak-anak yang itu dan juga
University education should be free. Bukan tentang pembangunan.
ya